everyone, how are you? Hope you had a beautiful day. I hope you're having a beautiful day, and may peace be upon you. If you can just make a couple of seconds, just gonna add my great friend Azlin, Katlin as I call her. Just a second. Okay. Okay, I've invited her to the Facebook Live. Thank you for joining us today. And today's topic, it is going to be about your family is in serious financial crisis. Hi, Kathleen. I'm just going to see if I can add her there. Okay. Okay, I'm adding Kathleen, one of my closest friend, and she is a Takaful and Insurance Financial Consultant. So we are going to be talking about your family is in serious financial crisis. So my name is Izdihar. I'm a family financial consultant, and I help stressed out moms and women be debt-free fast using effective and proven solutions. So I'm in the process of adding my friend Kathleen. I think, hello, hi Kathleen, how are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm very well, Is. How about you?
I'm great. Thank you for joining us. So everybody, this is one of my closest friend, Kathleen. I call her Kathleen. Her name is Azlin, and she is an amazing Takaful and Insurance Financial Consultant. We've been friends for a long time, and really happy and really blessed to have her. So Kathleen, why don't today's topic is going to be about your family is in serious financial crisis. So before that, Kathleen, why don't you share a little bit about yourself and a little bit about what you do?
Right, great. Thank you, Is, for inviting me on the Facebook Live. It's been an honor for me to be here and being of service to others. Right, my name is Azlin. You can call me Lin or Katlin for Malaysia.
Yes.
And I am a financial advisor that is specialized in insurance and also in Takaful, which is an Islamic insurance for Muslims. What I do is I help hundreds of families, just like your families, to protect their income and to protect their wealth against any financial risk due to death, sickness, or even critical illnesses. So yeah, that's what I do.
Awesome. And I think it's super important nowadays because one is because of the economy. It really is unstable, and also the government doesn't take care of us anymore, not like what we used to have like years and years ago. And now with, like you said, illness are a big part of our society nowadays, and the income protection, that's something that I'm learning from Kathleen here. Kathleen, you see families up and down the country all day long. What is it? What is the number one thing that is really serious that is affecting the financial crisis?
Okay, great. Before I talk about what is the serious problem is, I would like to say a little bit about the cause of it.
Okay, absolutely.
The most common mistakes or we should say mistakes or the normal thing that happening around people, finance and money is they don't take care of themselves 100%. They take 100% responsibility of themselves. Rather, they let the government, the employer, or like
the spouses,
their spouses or their children to take care of their finance. So when they do this, they're actually putting themselves into a quite vulnerable position. And when something unexpected happen, like critical illness or sickness or even death, breadwinner of the family, they find themselves in a very difficult situation. Sometimes even they have to bear the debt of the spouse, which is the case that I have seen.
This is absolutely stressful, really stressful, because first of all, you see families, they are kind of like depending on other people to look after them when they themselves should be responsible to take care of themselves. And then when things happen, and God forbid, may we be protected from all harm, danger, and evil. But when it does happen, it seriously affected them, like deeply, like they're crippled and totally paralyzed they don't know what to do. Is that what you're seeing, Kathleen?
Yes, exactly. And even it can cause to, the breakdown of a family institution.
Absolutely.
Which, my husband is a doctor, and he
Say hi
that
to Mahisham for me.
yeah, he see every day people come with illnesses,
Right.
and but because they're not taking care of themselves
Right.
financially, or not being responsible for their health, and they have to be in a position of asking for mercy from other people, which is very disempowering when you are sick, when you are in difficult situation,
Yes.
that you have to ask for people's mercy. That is a very disempowering situation to be in.
Absolutely. I truly, truly agree. And what are you seeing that's critically happening with moms and women out there? Thank you for watching. Really appreciate you watching. And what is the thing that the problem and the crisis that you see that is happening with moms and women when the breadwinner, for example, just lost their sense of income or went on death? So what do you see, Katlin? What is it like? Because you're on the ground with people. You see people from up and down the country, from various parts, from north to west, from east to south. What is it, Katlin?
Right. The most devastating thing that I've seen is for a mom who stay at home. They are just hoping for, income and mercy,
Right.
or for them, their husband is the financial plan for them.
Right.
So that is when the husband passed away.
Okay.
And she usually receive income from the husband.
Yes.
And then when the husband passed away, suddenly she find that she has no income anymore, and she has little children to look after, and for her to go to the job market at that time is going to be very challenging.
Yes.
To cope with the death and the changes of the family dynamic itself, and have to go to find work. So it's very important. One of I truly advise for stay-at-home mom, to honor yourself really, because you have sacrificed and you made a big contribution to the family.
Absolutely.
By taking care of children, to cook so that your husband can go to work. So it's important for you to take care of yourself by putting a structure in place. So if this happen, you have a financial, you have an income replacement to replace the income that has lost from the husband.
Yes, and this is very, very sad, unfortunately, to hear about all this. But unfortunately, it does happen, and more so to the society nowadays, which is like, as moms and as women, we have to be smart, and we have to learn how to take care of ourselves, regardless of whether our spouse are there or not, because we have to think about the future, right, Kathleen? We have to think about how we're going to feed our kids, how we're going to take care of ourselves. Like you said, it doesn't work for us to be like at mercy, someone else's mercy. It really doesn't work. It's disempowering, because other people have things to take care of too. They have other commitments too. So, Katlin, what is your solution? What is your number one solution to help moms and women, regardless whether they're stay-at-home moms or not, whether they're working or not? So what is your number one solution to help empower moms and women right here, right now, for them to be financially stable, or in a way, like, give them some form of financial peace? If, God forbid, this does happen, they can take care of themselves.
Okay. Yeah, I would like to suggest, I must stand for family to have to take 100% responsibility for their finance, and so that they can create empower relationship between each other and around money as well. Since money is a big part of our life at the moment, whether we like it or not, it impact our lot. Saying that happiness is more important than money is like saying your leg is more important than your hand, which doesn't make sense.
No, it doesn't. Yes.
Yeah. So, my advice to moms and women out there, whether you're working or not, is to be a step for your family, to protect your income.
Okay.
So by taking like some sort of insurance or takaful plan that called income replacement. Like in Malaysia, if you get some sickness, you still have option to the government hospital, which is like, you know, a big chunk of the cost will be funded.
Exactly.
But if you lost the ability to work due to critical illness, and you can't, there is no income anymore for the family, who's going to give money to continue with the life?
Yes.
And how can you focus on recovery if you keep on worrying about money? So it's a very important for women, for mothers, you know, being a stand for your family, to have an income replacement, and to put yourself in a very powerful and empowering position by protecting your income and finance.
Awesome. I think that's a really, really solid advice and really, really solid strategy. And this is something that Kathleen does offer and help all the moms and women that she sees every single day in helping them to protect themselves, to protect the family. What she calls this, I think, is the income replacement plan or something like that, right, Kathleen? The income replacement plan, which means that, God forbid, if something were to happen to you or to the breadwinner, there'll be an income to replace the lost income. That makes sense. Yes.
It is as simple as that.
Got it.
You know, we got to, you know, consider that. You know, if that's happened, what is our strategy? What is the plan? Because if we don't plan for it, then when it happens, we're going to be really in financial trouble.
Absolutely. And this is what I tell all my clients to do, and you know, for them to actually stand up for themselves, either to take an insurance plan or a takaful plan for them to protect themselves and the family. So in a way, it gives them peace. It gives them peace.
Exactly.
So if things were to happen, you're taken care of. Not only you're taken care of, your kids are taken care of, because otherwise we are jeopardizing with not just our future, but with our children's future. And that is something that we as moms and women, you know, like really freaks us out if that does happen. Like Kathleen said, if you're stressing too much about getting the money, you can't do anything. It's like you're being paralyzed of your situation. Exactly. So don't let that happen.
Yeah, the thing that I love about Takaful is the spirit that we have with Takaful, where actually we're helping each other. There is a fund called Tabaruk Fund, which is a donation fund, where we all participants put money together, like East put money in there, and I put there, and you know, our friends put money in there, and we together signing up for an agreement saying to each other, is if anything happens to you, you know, if you are individual because of illness or sickness, you can use my money here.
Absolutely.
And you know, we are assigning a company to take care of the fund and to fund for us. So there is a concept called ta'awun, or helping each other in protecting our wealth.
And I think that's super beautiful. I think that's one of the biggest difference between takaful and insurance, because insurance, once you make a claim, it's likelihood that your premium is going to go up, but not with takaful, if I understand it correctly, because I'm not a takaful or insurance expert. But definitely protect yourself. Moms and women out there, you be responsible with yourself, with your family, and do not be at the mercy of others, because other people might not care about you. Sorry to say this, but other people, they might not care about you, no matter how much they love you, because they have other commitments too. So as Kathleen suggested, get a plan, which an income replacement plan to help you and give you peace with your finances. So thank you so much for joining us today, Kathleen. And if anybody needs any help to ask more questions and need clarity, or they need some form of protection with their income, would they be able to come and have a chat with you, Kathleen?
Yeah, great. I'll be happy to help and be of service to everyone.
Awesome. So just leave a comment below if you want to get in touch, if you have any questions for us, or you can PM us directly personal messages, and I'll be more than happy to help you. So please like, comment, and share the video so that millions and millions of family can take control of the financial life and be debt-free fast. Thank you so much for watching. I see quite a lot of familiar faces there. Has is there, Hanun is there. Thank you for watching, and may peace be upon you, and have a fantastic day. Bye. Thank you, Kathleen. Bye-bye.
Bye.